Now we will talk about configuring our IIS. So let's start from going to our server manager, select tools, click on IIS manager. Here it is. All right, we already have a default website, but we're gonna stop it. So click on stop to be sure that it is not active. All right, now we can move on with our instructions. Uh, First of all, it is necessary to create certificates. We will create self-signed certificates. They will be not trusted, but anyway, we need them just to check how everything works. You can create certificates in two ways, either using IIS or PowerShell. We'll try to use the first option. So select server certificates, self-signed certificate, and specify the name of your certificate. For example, HES certificate. All right. And now we can add a website. It is very simple. We add a website, specify its name, indicate the physical path where a website is located, C drive, IDs folder, S subfolder, select port 80, type HTTP, application pool. We can either use an existing one or add a new one. We will use our existing port. All right, there's a warning that the port 80 is assigned to the default site, but since our default site is not active, we can just ignore this notification. Next step, we can go to bindings page. Go to bindings. It is important to add an HTTPS port, and we choose our certificate HES certificate. Click OK. It is worth mentioning that Microsoft recommends making certain changes in our application pools. Go to basic settings and choose no managed code instead of NetCLR version. This is what Microsoft recommends. And now basically when we have taken all the steps, the HES server should be available on the browser. Let's restart our server just in case. And now we can check how does it work. So we can type our website name in a browser. Our website is called example.com. All right, here it is. And I forgot to mention that we will need a HTTPS protocol as we're going to use secure protocol. Now this alert means that our certificate is not trusted. As far as we're just checking our website, we will continue. All right, and we can see a login window. Here we have to enter a standard login admin server. Next. And we have to enter our password admin. As you can see, the server is working. And this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.